In today's video, I'll show you how to allow Grok to access your public data on X, formerly known as Twitter, in just a few quick steps. This setting controls whether your public data, along with your interactions, inputs, and results with Grok and XAI, can be used for training and fine-tuning. If you want to stay current with the platform and make sure your settings are configured correctly, this is a simple one to follow. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. Let's get into it. First, open X and look at the left navigation bar. From there, click More. This will open up the additional account and platform settings that aren't shown in the main menu. Next, click Settings and Privacy. This is where X keeps most of your account controls, security options, and privacy preferences. Once you're inside Settings and Privacy, click Privacy and Safety. This section manages how your account data is handled and how your information is shared on the platform. Now scroll through the options until you find Grok and third-party collaborators. Click that menu to open the settings related to Grok and XAI data usage. Inside this section, you'll see a toggle for Allow your public data as well as your interactions, inputs, and results with Grok and XAI to be used for training and fine-tuning. Turn that toggle on to enable access. Once it's enabled, your public data and your interactions with Grok can be used in the way described by X and XAI. That's all there is to it. You've now allowed Grok to access your public data on X in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next quick how-to guide.